welcome to the Mortgage Minute for Thursday, May 10th. Okay, there's a couple big items that came out in the news in the last few weeks. First of all, elections in Europe, new governments in Greece and France. How's that going to impact the global domino, situations in Europe and the domino effect on the United States and Canada? It's going to be interesting to watch all that play out. The second thing is, I don't know if anybody saw that Jim Flaherty has recently suggested that, get this, they may ask Canadians to, or may ask banks to re-qualify people when they're refinancing their mortgage. So, is anybody out there a little nervous that when your mortgage comes up for renewal, they're going to ask you to re-qualify? Anything changed in the past 5 years? I know there's a couple of real estate investors a little concerned about that, and that leads me to the big news I want to mention, and that is the 5-year action plan. On Friday, May 25th, I'm going to be holding a 5-year action plan right here in my Port Moody head office. We're going to be doing it in the boardroom. Now, here's the key. I know that working with investors across Canada, there's a lot of need for you to have one-on-one interaction. So when I'm talking on a stage in front of 200, 300, 400 people, it's impossible to give that one-on-one. And I don't like having big 5-year plan workshops anymore. So what we're doing is we're having them right here in our boardroom. And by doing that, I can actually limit it because there's literally, physically, only 10 seats. So that means 5 people and their spouses. There's only 5 of you. It's an 8-hour workshop. You're going to get a lot of one-on-one attention that day. So if you're serious about building your plan and building a real estate portfolio, my goodness, I can't think of anything that's more valuable than spending a full 8-hour day sitting down and building a business plan. What we do, just for those of you who are not familiar with it, is we start with the end in mind. We start with your goals and why you're buying real estate in the first place. More importantly, what results you need from the real estate you buy. Then we're going to work backwards. I refer to that as reverse engineering the process. Through reverse engineering, we can then identify the obstacles you're going to encounter and then put together a 3-phase action plan to help you address your obstacles, your personal obstacles, overcome your obstacles so that you can accomplish your own personal goals, because at the end of the day, that's what it's about. Regardless of what's going to happen in Europe or what Jim Flaherty comes up with, you need to build a business plan that allows you to go out there and buy real estate with confidence and clarity, so you're not throwing mud against the wall, and that's where it starts, is with your plan. So, Friday, May 25th, here at our boardroom, limited to only 5 people. I hope you can be one of those. If not, hopefully we'll open it up and do another one in the future. But that is the Mortgage Minute for Thursday, May 10th. Hopefully we'll see you on May 25th. Have a great week. Thanks.